Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, not trading signals, and not selling indicators. Just my trade journal. And we've got price action order flow levels for Tuesday, August 15, 2023. And there's a news catalyst at 8:30. We've got U.S. retail sales coming out. That's 8:30 a.m. New York Eastern time. And what I've got is 3 24-hour charts on the left, NASDAQ in the middle, S&P 500 on the right, the dollar. So on the far right, let's go to that one. We've got a rally still held up, and we have not broken lows in a while. It's been a 3-4 day rally, so we'll see. Right now, this black bar on the far right on the DXY dollar is in the middle of this upper candle wick in the body of the green candle. So we'll see and watch how that goes. And the equity index in the middle is what I trade, and the black bar has completely reversed the Monday price action green candle. So that's very interesting. And notice how much more the black candle has gone lower than the body of the green candle on Monday compared to the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100's only retraced part of the green candle on Monday. So we have a much weaker S&P 500 than the NASDAQ 100. Let's go to the next chart in smaller time frame for the S&P. Okay, I want to stay on the 1 hour, and the reason for that is because let's look at the price action. After that close for Monday, you can see we had this green bar, and this 8:14 Monday high of day PM afternoon, this blue line right here is what I'm focused on. You see a fair value gap on the 15-minute, and Asia Globex completely, these traders were completely hosed. They just kept buying this, and then Europe comes in, they sell it hard. And once the London Open happens, notice this blue line. The London Open is precisely the high of day in the afternoon of Monday. So we just plunge all the way down in that London raid. 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm going to watch this carefully. And now we're below this purple horizontal line. And that's a big deal. I mentioned that in the opening video. And the reason is, number one, we've got the new week open for August 14th, the high and low. And also on the outside of this purple is July 3rd. So multiple new week open gaps. So here we are almost at the red line where that's the open for Monday, and we're very close to it. We've had the low in Globex at 44.75 and 44.7250 is the S&P open. And what do we have below that? Below that on the 1 hour, we've got this daily fair value gap in blue. I'm watching this very carefully. So what am I doing right now as far as trades? Nothing. I'm sitting on hands. I've been active in Asia Globex. It's not really my thing. I rather react in London, but Asia, you can see here, we were really high, and I took a scout team short. I just took a scalp for a few handles. So I'm just staying in cash, no FOMO here. Just want to wait for the proper time. So it's not just price. You go down here in the lower part, but if it's not the right time, it's got to be a combination of both for me to want to take a trade. Now, I'm not going to trade Wednesday the 16th because that's the FOMC minutes release, and I just don't want to be active on Wednesday. So Tuesday, this is the session I want to trade. So I'm going to look again at 10 a.m. Eastern time to 11 a.m. as my sweet spot. And what I want to do is see if we reprice any of this 1 hour fair value gap on the 1 hour here. So that wraps the 1 hour. Let's go to Renko next. Okay, so you see here how we closed on Monday, and we had the upper area here near the upper blue Keltner, and the red was pointing up, the lower Keltner was pointing up, everything was pointing up, and then here was that big London drop. And what's happening now with the Keltners? Upper blues coming in at 45.15, red in the middle, 44.92, and we've got 44.68 on the lower I'm not going to do anything if I was going to take a fade, and I'm definitely not buying here. I don't even want to think about it till we get above the red. And obviously, these two red lines here, this is the new week open gap from a week ago, August 7th. That would be best, but retracing all the way back to London would be ideal. And remember, New York Midnight Open was way up here at 45.14. London, again, here's that key level, this blue line. So this is the Renko. I'm going to pay attention to the Renko, and this was a beautiful retrace back down, and it just shows we have a two-way market. This is not July or June. Definitely different seasonal tendency here, and you've got to be nimble. So I'm not going to trade a lot this next session coming up here. I'm just going to wait for my time, and I'm hoping that I get a price and a time delivery here with the setup that I like. I know what I'm going to look for, and I'm going to try to take it. That's all I've got. I appreciate the subscribers and the people that are new to the channel watching. Take care, and I'll be back with price action and order flow levels tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Aloha.